Hello friend, welcome back to my channel. Kombin Önerileri dress are all about creating stylish and comfortable outfits that match your personality. This dress help you look confident and trendy without much effort. A good dress combination start with understanding your body shape. Choose style that highlight you, your best feature and make you feel comfortable at the same time. For casual days, a simple cotton dress paired with sneakers and a crossbody bag makes the perfect everyday look. It is both cute and comfortable. If you are going out of dinner, try a satin midi dress with heels and a clutch. Add a touch of perfume and statement earring to complete the elegant look. In summer, floral print dress are a must. You can pair them with sandals, light jewelry, and a sun hat for a fresh and breezy vibe. Winter combined honorary often include long self dress with new high boat boots and a warm coat. A scarf and leather gloves can add a touch of luxury for a look. A short dress combined with a belt and pumps creates a professionally yet stylish outfit that easy to wear all day. A black dress is always a timeless choice you can style if differently every time. Add a denim jacket for casual day or a blazer for a formal event. Try mixing texture for unique dress combination. Pair a soft silk dress with a leather jacket for a perfect balance of feminine and age. Accessories play a hug role in combined honorary. A simple dress can look amazing when styled with the right earring, bag, and shoes. For a boho inspired look, wear a full-way maxi dress with layered necklace, ankle boots, and a floppy hat. The combination look effortless yet stylish. Evening events call for bold combination. Go for a sequence or velvet dress with metallic heels and matching clutch of a clock. Glam look. If you prefer a sporty vibe, add shirt dress with sneakers and a backpack. Make an easy, cool combination for daily wear. Monochrome combination or trendy pair you dress with shoes and accessories in similar shades for a clean and modern appearance. Denim jacket and floral dress are a match made in heaven. This combination is perfect for spring and gives off youthful, playful energy. Thank you for watching.